we're going to talk about a different topic, and that is valence electrons. So what is valence electrons? And this is electrons, right? But what kind of electron is a valence electron? So valence electron is not a different type of electron. It's basically named valence electron because the electrons are situated in a special situation or a special place. So we're going to know everything about valence electron now, and this is a very interesting topic, to be very honest. So let's proceed. So here you can see some electronic configuration of different elements, right? So let's see for lithium. Lithium over here has only one electron on its outer shell. Potassium over here has 2 electrons on its outer shell. Sodium over here has 3, 1 electron. Copper only has 1 electron. Here again copper, this is neon. Neon has 2 electrons. Argon has neon has 8 electrons on its outer shell. Argon has 8 electrons on its outer shell. And krypton has 8 electrons on its outer shell. So why am I only pointing out the outer shells, right? So this question might, appear in your head, might pop in your head. So the reason here is the valence electron basically means the electrons which are situated at the last energy level of any atom. Here for copper, at the last energy level, there is only 1 electron. So for copper, the valence electron is 1. For sodium over here, the last energy level has only 1 electron. So for sodium, the valence electron is 1 as well. For lithium over here, it also has 1 electron on its outer shell. So that means that lithium is the valence electron of lithium is also 1, and for potassium over here it also has 1 electron on the outer shell, so also the valence electron of potassium is 1. So my point here is, what is valence electron? Valence electron means, or valence electron is the amount of electron which are situated at the last energy level of any atom. Say for example, argon over here. Argon over here has 8 electrons on its outermost shell, outermost energy level. So valence electrons of argon are 8. For neon, the amount is also 8 because it has 8 electrons on its outer shell. For krypton, it's also 8 as well. So yeah, that is valence electron. Here you can see the picture of copper. So this is valence electron. The number, or the electrons which are situated at the outermost energy level of any atom, they are called valence electrons. So if I have made my point clear, let's proceed to the definition of valence electron. Okay, so the definition would be the number of total electrons at the outermost principal energy level of an element is called the valence electron of that element. Okay, so yeah, valence electrons are basically the outermost electrons of any atom. See for example, for this is a molecule, this is an atom of carbon, right? And for carbon it has 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons on its outermost shell. This is the outermost shell or outermost energy level, right? So on this level, carbon has 4 electrons. This means that the valence electrons of carbon is 4. So the valence electrons basically means the total number of electrons present on the outermost energy level of any element, of any atom of any element. Okay,